Hi, Richard this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from IMTEX India, 2026 Bangalore. And today I have Yoshiki with me from AMADA. Hi, sir.
Yes.
How
Hi.
are you?
Yeah, fine. Thank you. So good.
So, can you brief us about your company and how you started?
Okay. So our company is almost 8 years from Japan, and in India now 25th year anniversary we are doing.
Right.
Yes.
That's really nice. So, what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So mainly we are selling about the sheet metal for the cutting, bending, and the welding. That
Okay.
machine we are selling in here.
So, do you have any new launches this year?
Yeah, this year also we have this laser machine.
Right.
Is a Ventis 9 kilowatt.
Okay.
That is a good quality for cutting. So several material more cleanly cut. And this one is a EGB ATC.
Okay.
This is it's no need a skill. So now India also facing sometimes the skilled operator
Right.
problem. For that one, everything it looks like a AI.
Right.
If you put some drawing, it's already set up and how to bend, which
Right.
tool.
Right.
Everything automatically set up.
That's
So
nice.
no need a skill. So just put and there bending.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
So, you're dealing in international markets as well?
Yeah, national market is ongoing, and but especially our company it has 21 subsidiary in the world, but we also focus to Indian market.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how energy efficient are the products of your company?
For us, so in India, so everything is ongoing and expanding and challenging.
Right.
This is a very nice mindset. So everyone want to challenge. We also want to challenge,
Right.
and we want to support the customer success.
So, you're focusing on green energy? Are you focusing on green energy?
Green energy is of course we are concentrating because now electricity should be reduced and keep green, and for next generation we have to continue the environment.
Right.
So that's why it's not only the initial cost, how to continue this productivity and the efficiency and the green is important. So
Right.
balance is very important.
So, what's your plan for next 5 years?
Next is we also have to make in India, and as a global market, India will come to the big market and the factory also including. So from India, we will support the Asian country, Africa, or
That's nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your time.
thank you.